Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Mike Mack, Superintendent of the International Schools Group, or ISG. ISG, founded in 1962, is an umbrella of 5 schools in Saudi Arabia, and the American School Dhahran, or ASD, is one of them. Thank you for joining our virtual ASD open house today. We pride ourselves in building a solid reputation for providing the highest quality education in Saudi Arabia. What really sets us apart from other schools in the country is that ASD is a place our students and teachers are happy to come to each day. And our students are seen as individuals with their own learning styles and interests. And our teachers recognize that inside and outside the classroom. Our approach is to look at the whole student and what he or she needs to grow. And that includes their education, their social well-being, and their emotional well-being. We encourage our students to reach out and ask for support when they need it. Our teachers are always willing to go the extra mile to support them. And we also encourage our students to participate in the wide range of extracurricular activities on offer. Because the truth is, not all learning happens inside the classroom. And there is so much more for a person to discover about themselves by exploring their interests. At ASD, our education is guided by our mission. We inspire innovation and compassionate action. And we tie it into everything we do. Our teachers are dedicated, engaging, and creative. And our students, they're just plain remarkable. They're kind, curious, and creative problem solvers. And they're critical thinkers who are engaged in the wider world around them. Our values at every ISG school are respect, acceptance, integrity, responsibility, with a commitment to act. These values prepare our students for life. They graduate with impressive results and are accepted in the top universities in the US, UK, Canada, and around the world. We keep in touch with our graduates through our Alumni Association, and their achievements make us proud each and every day. Our purpose-built campus is the only one of its kind in the Eastern Province, with impressive facilities and state-of-the-art features and technology, all to assist in student learning. You'll be hearing a lot more about ASD in the program that follows. With that, it is now my pleasure to present ASD's virtual open house. Thank you and enjoy.
Hello, my name is Ronnie Caldwell, and I'm the principal of the American School Dhahran. Today, you'll be watching our virtual open house experience in which you'll get information from our division assistant principals, as well as our counseling team about the programs that we have here at ASD. I think they'll make the case that the American School Dhahran is the preeminent school and the best choice for the education of your student here in Saudi Arabia. Many of our families and many of the people who have already sent their children through our program know about our commitment to inspiring innovation and compassionate action. They also know about the values that we instill in our students of respect, acceptance, integrity, and responsibility with a commitment to act on those values to make the world a better place. You're going to hear from our administrators, from our counseling team, and from students about the program we offer. You're going to get details about the curriculum, about extracurricular activities, and about the support that we give students. I think the biggest promoter of our program are the families that continue to send their children to us, sometimes generation after generation. We've had multiple families come through, multiple students starting at kindergarten all the way through grade 12, matriculate to some of the finest universities in the world, and as well as develop into amazing character-driven human beings. That's what we are for the community here in the Eastern Province. We are the community school. We are the top choice to send your students for a compassionate environment, for an environment that develops them not just academically, but as a whole student and a finer world citizen. Once again, thank you for being with us today. I'm almost certain that once you hear from us and hear what we have to offer, you'll be with us for the remainder. Be good and have a wonderful day.
My name is Marissa Archie, and I am the Elementary Assistant Principal at ASD. I am excited to welcome you to a virtual open house for the elementary and middle school divisions of ASD. We will aim to tell you about the specific information listed here. ASD is a truly multinational student body with more than 50 different nationalities. We employ a majority of North American trained teachers to deliver an American curriculum. Our school welcomes students as young as 4 years old to kindergarten in the elementary, and students transition from elementary to middle school in grade 6. Whilst core subjects are important, we value the support available for social-emotional development and experiences offered in the specialist classes. Grading and reporting from kindergarten to grade 8 follow a standards-based format. ASD is an American curriculum school. All students will experience core classes in English, social studies, science, and math, along with specialist classes. Kindergarten through grade 8 students all have physical education, including units in the swimming pool, and Arabic language and culture classes on a weekly basis. Elementary students have art and music classes weekly as well. Our middle school students select the courses offered in the elective periods of their schedule. We seek to create a safe, collaborative environment where students have a voice in their learning and where they can reflect, ask questions, and use feedback to support their learning. For example, you may find students choosing their own writing topics in our reading and writing workshops, or meet one-on-one with a teacher to receive individualized feedback. In math classes, inquiry and conceptual understanding are emphasized over correct math procedures or teacher-directed learning. At ASD, our students experience a well-rounded curriculum that helps them develop their academic and social-emotional skills.
My name is Tracy Bosch, and I'm the Middle School Assistant Principal at ASD. The elementary and middle school divisions of ASD are pleased to have dedicated counselors available to offer social, emotional, and child protection lessons, as well as small group intervention to our students. All elementary and middle school staff implement responsive classroom practices to assist with community building, discipline, and student-centered learning. Our elementary students follow second step curriculum for morning meetings, whilst our middle school uses Character Strong to guide their social emotional learning and community building. Outside of the classroom, ASD elementary and middle school students have the chance to explore their interests. During the course of the year, ASD staff and students enjoy at least 3 rotations of extracurricular activities. A wide variety of activities are available, and they are often driven by students' interests. Activities include arts and crafts, dance, robotics, as well as many others. Along with these after-school activities, ASD is a proud participant in a variety of athletic leagues, both in Kingdom and internationally, including SciCac, NESAC, and our own ISG jamborees. Students have many choices such as football, basketball, cross-country, and badminton, among several others. Many opportunities exist for students to develop their athletic skills along with the character traits of persistence, leadership, and teamwork. Our highly trained classroom teachers are experienced in supporting their students. ASD is committed to gathering and using data to know how and what supports may be needed for students. Along with classroom teachers, ASD has a small learning support team, including an ELL specialist, to work with identified students. Students thrive in ASD's warm and caring environment, where teachers are dedicated to every child's growth and development. If ASD seems like a good fit for your child and family, we encourage you to apply.
Students at ASD can participate in various extracurricular activities, including sports such as volleyball, basketball, football, and badminton. With each of these sports, your child gets the opportunity to play friendly as well as competitive matches. My personal experience helped me build character and discipline through teamwork and practice. Students at ASD can go on a Week Without Walls trip. Each of these trips has a service element. When I went to Vietnam for WOW Week, I got to take part in building a road in a small village for the village's residents. I had a lot of fun because it was something I did with my friends. I also had fun because I knew what a big help it was for the people living there. With every trip at ASD, there are a lot of opportunities to make a change in some people's lives. At ASD, students come from various cultures, ethnicities, and backgrounds, creating a diverse yet inclusive environment. Each of these cultures can be celebrated at our yearly International Day, where students, parents, and teachers are encouraged to dress up in their traditional clothing, bring food, and teach people about their cultures. At ASD, every student's passion or hobby is encouraged, whether that be photography, science, or sports. Whatever students enjoy doing, they can do because of the variety of different electives the students are offered.
I'm Emily Burns, ISG's Admissions and Enrollment Manager. We're excited that you're interested in American School Dahran, and we encourage you to apply. Families that join ASD will move through the following stages of the admissions process. Your first step is to apply. You can access the online application on ISG's website. Then, after you submit the application form, you will receive a checklist of documents to submit. These vary depending on the applicant's age, nationality, and previous schooling. Typically, applicants upload passport copies, report cards, confidential school reports, and standardized test reports. Once you have submitted your application and all required documents and paid the application fee, our admissions team will review your documents and let you know if there are any additional requirements. The admissions staff will determine whether an assessment is needed, and they will schedule your child for an on-site assessment as soon as possible. Only applicants with complete files will be invited for assessment. After your application and all assessments are complete, we will review your full application and send you an admissions decision. Please note that if the grade level is full, you may be placed on a waiting list. For those who are accepted, the final step is enrollment. Your admissions specialist will help you submit all enrollment requirements prior to the start of school, including the enrollment agreement, payments, government documents, and medical forms. Applications for the 24-25 school year will open on December 10th. Families may apply in one of 3 application windows. The first application deadline will apply to grades 2 through 12. Those applying during the first round of admissions in these age groups should submit their application by the deadline of January 11th. All applicants who meet the deadline will receive an admissions decision by February 18th. Those who apply during the second round of admissions should submit their application by the deadline of February 15th. They will receive a decision by March 31st. All applications submitted after February 15th will be reviewed on a rolling admissions basis. Rolling admissions decisions will be given within 3 weeks of a completed application, starting from March 31st, until all seats are filled. Please note that the earliest admissions deadline does not apply to our youngest applicants in kindergarten and first grade. The first deadline for kindergarten and first grade will be February 15th. Applications must be complete to be considered for an admissions deadline. A complete application includes the application form, all required documents, and payment of the application fee. We're excited about your interest in ISG, and we hope that you choose to join our ISG school community. Our friendly and knowledgeable admissions team is eager to get to know your family and to guide you throughout your admissions journey at ISG. You can reach out anytime via our admissions email.